Hi, David McGuffin here in Rome again at the Spanish Steps and the Piazza di Spagna. Up top, at the top of the steps, is a church that was patronized by the King of France in the 1720s. It's called Santa Trinita de Monte. And the steps are linking that church by the French embassy down to the square here where we're standing and around the corner to the Spanish embassy, which is also the Spanish embassy to the Holy See. From this fountain by Bernini, which is called the Fountain of the Old Boat, looking down to the colonnade, you can see the Spanish flag just here, flying on the embassy to the Holy See, the Spanish embassy to the Holy See. Back in the day, in the early 1700s, this piece of property right here was even considered to be a part of Spain. Again, looking up at the fantastic, newly cleaned facade of the Holy Trinity Church on the mountain, the Spanish Steps. All the people come and gather here, especially after dark. It's a little more peaceful, and people just sit here and maybe have a picnic a little bit, but mostly just to relax, chat, and watch what's going on around the piazza. I hope you've enjoyed this look around the Spanish Step area. Your adventure starts right here with David McGuffin's Exploring Europe.